morning, guys. What is up? Welcome back to another vlog. Right now it is Wednesday. It's 9:15 a.m. and we're gonna get started on my day. First thing I'm gonna do is get my greens. I love starting my day with greens. It just gets it out of the way and it makes me feel really good. I've been doing a lot of weekend vlogs lately just because it's summer and I have a lot going on weekends. So I'm excited to just take you through a little daily vlog today. I have a few things around the house I need to do, some work from home. It's gonna be really hot, so I think I might tan and read. And then as well, I haven't taken you guys through what I eat in a day in quite a while, so we're gonna do that today as well. So cheers to the first thing today, which is the greens. I briefly mentioned this in another video, but I have ulcerative colitis. If you've been here for a long time, you would know that, although I don't talk about it a lot. However, recently I've been having a little bit of a mini flare-up, so drinking my greens juice has been so good. I've been loving making it at home. It honestly just tastes better to me versus like buying the powdered version from a supplement store, and I know it's just better for me because it's more whole foods. I also feel like it's helped my skin. Like, I am ovulating right now, so I'm breaking out slightly, but I've been having a very clear skin. As well, I feel like my nails have been growing hella fast. I told you guys a couple vlogs ago, but I broke this nail completely in half and it's been probably a month and it's pretty much back to full length, which is unreal. Now that we're on the topic, my nails are disgusting. We're gonna be doing a nail appointment today also. But for now, there's a few things I wanna get done first thing this morning. I have to answer some emails, I gotta do some work, have breakfast, put the dishes away. So let's just get started on my day. Breakfast for today, we got 2 scrambled eggs with ketchup, an English muffin with some margarine and pineapple. $11:15 right now, and we're gonna go do a workout. I got all of the computer work and work on my phone done that I needed to for the day so far. So I'm gonna go take, 30 minutes and go hit a workout. Quickly want to show you guys my outfit. Look how vibrant this is. Oh my freaking god. So this is new Muscle Nation Seamless. It's coming out in September, so I don't want to talk about it too much. I actually also did wear it yesterday to the gym, but I wore the black one. Today I'm wearing this like bright green. It is so nice. Also coming out in cyan blue, which is like a light blue, and I believe pink. I love this new launch. The material is so soft. The shorts are seamless in the front, but they have the booty contour scrunch going on the back, and then the straps on the back of this bra crisscross. Again, I'm obsessed with it. I'll probably talk about it in more detail when it's launching, especially on my Instagram, so make sure you guys are following me there. We're gonna go do legs and abs, I think. I don't want to go too hard because I am ovulating right now and I'm feeling so tired and bloated. A woman's body is literally insane. Like, look at this. This is just pure bloat from ovulating. Like, that's actually crazy. I know everyone's symptoms are always different, but I know when I'm ovulating because one, I get so bloated, I get so tired, and also I kind of lose my appetite-ish. Like, I really don't feel like I could eat lunch anytime soon. So we'll see after my workout. At this point, I'm kind of just blabbing on, but I think I'm going to bring just some light dumbbells and we're gonna go work out outside, just do some light leg work and then end it off with some abs and maybe some cardio.
The door is open, I could walk right in. Ooh, but it's so much harder than it sounds. I know it's closing if I just stand still. Cause you won't wait forever, so just hear me out. It is not like I don't want you, just scared to try. Even
yellow too, and I just finished my workout under 35 minutes. I'm so hot and sweaty, but it feels so good to do an outdoor workout. It's not too hot out and it's not cold. It's just like, it's 24 or 25, so it's just perfect. Just finished my legs and abs. I actually don't think I'm gonna do cardio because I'm gonna walk to my nail appointment, which is like 15 minutes there, 15 minutes back. So I'm gonna count that as my cardio. Oh my, that workout tired me out. So 12:33, I walked Kobe and then I took a body shower. I'm honestly just gonna leave my hair like this because I do have to walk to my nail appointment, and it's like, did I say this already? Oh my god, I'm dumb. I did. I told you guys that I was gonna use that as my cardio. It's like 15 minutes away and it's pretty hot out, so I'm just gonna leave my hair up. Honestly, this is usually the time I would have lunch, and I should have a quick lunch before I go, but I don't know, my stomach is just, it's not feeling like 100%. So I think I'm just gonna have a banana and then I'll have actual lunch when I get home for my appointment. So the next thing I am eating today is this little baby banana. Before I leave, I'm also gonna show you guys my nails. This is 2.5 weeks. They're super outgrown. I had to chop them down myself. I broke this one the other day. I told you guys about this one, so I'm definitely in need of a freshening up. So I'm gonna be doing a shellac manicure because I haven't had them touch my cuticles in a while, and I'm also gonna get a shellac pedicure because the paint on my toes is literally from when I got a pedicure in April. So it's been quite a while. Usually on the toes, it lasts so long. It's just pretty outgrown now. So we're gonna do that. I'm just gonna grab my sunglasses and my debit and we're gonna head out. And I am home from my nail appointment. I went with the color Let's Be Friends. This is what was on my toes before, so I did it on my hands and I did it again on my toes. I've been going super colorful lately, purples, blues, yellow, orange, green, so just going back to my roots a little bit with the neutral color. Also, in a couple days, it is Alan and I's wedding anniversary, so I felt like doing something that's like kind of white was cute and just kind of goes with the flow of my life right now. I'm pretty hungry now, so I'm gonna have my lunch. This doesn't look the prettiest. I'm gonna bring it over here in some natural light, but I did make some homemade goulash last night. So if you guys know what that is, it's just like beef. You can make it with like a stew, potatoes. I just did it with carrots and then mashed potato. Again, it doesn't look the prettiest, but it's so damn good. Ooh, oh my goodness. I know I've said it already, but I am so tired today. It is 5:24. In the past like 2.5 hours, I've pretty much just been in bed. I was watching The Mole, which is on Netflix. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's actually a pretty good show. I also did a little bit of editing on my phone, and now I'm gonna try a new dinner recipe. I'm gonna be making chicken parm sandwiches. I found this like cute little recipe off of Pinterest. It's honestly super easy and simple to make, so this is gonna be like a really good dinner idea if you need to make something kind of fast and like low-key, like there's not a lot of prep to it. And the sandwiches are like actually sliders. They're not sandwiches, they're like really tiny. So I bought this like small soft white rolls. I think they're called like Hawaiian buns. And then what you can honestly use like chicken breast and you can like bread it and coat it yourself, but this recipe, to make it like super easy and fast, it says to just use chicken strips or like chicken nuggets. So I'm gonna pop a few of those in the air fryer. So the chicken fingers are done. Now we're gonna start assembling. Actually, you know what? I just realized Alan's not gonna want sauce on his. Okay, so these three are gonna be his, and then this is gonna be mine. Now I'm gonna put some more provolone on top. So you're supposed to put marinara sauce. Literally, the Walmart that I bought it from did not have any, so I'm putting tomato sauce, and then I'm just gonna add some like seasonings. Now I'm gonna put the tops on. Now I'm just gonna quickly make a little mixture for the top. So we have a 1/4 cup of melted butter. I'm gonna add some garlic into that, as well as a little bit of pepper, tiny bit of, actually I'm gonna use sea salt, not table salt. A little bit of sea salt, a little bit of parsley flakes, and a little bit of Italian seasoning. And then just mix that all together, and then we're gonna lather these little sliders with it. Covered that with foil, and now I'm putting it in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Dinner's all ready. So this one's Alan's. His has no sauce, and he's having fries. And then mine with sauce. They look so stinking good. Oh my god. I ended up putting a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top as well, and I'm having it with a salad. Wow, look at this gorgeous sunset. It is just so nice. My window's slightly dirty. You can probably see these lines. They're actually doing window cleaning at our condo, and starting tomorrow they're doing this side of it, so that's why those are there. It's 8 o'clock and we're gonna go get ice cream, right buddy? We're gonna go get ice cream? You're gonna come? Yes, you can have some ice cream. You're so cute. You're so cute. So you guys have probably heard of Kawartha before, or you've seen that ice cream like at your local grocery store. But here in Burlington, they actually just opened like an actual ice cream shop. So you can go in and buy like tubs of ice cream, but you can also get cones of ice cream. So we're gonna go get some. We want to try it out. It opened like, I would say maybe like 2 weeks ago or a couple weeks ago. And every time we drive past it, there is a huge line. So I don't know if it's because it's new or if it's because it's really good ice cream or a mixture of both, but we're gonna go give it a try. Macro. I got maple walnut and Alan got what? Moon mist. It's like sorbet. Good? Oh no, you don't like it? Oh, it's no. Like cotton candy. I knew you wouldn't like it. I got my camera out. I'm gonna try mine. It's already melting. Oh my god. They have 3 sizes. Baby, small, and huge. This is baby. Like, are you kidding me? I saw somebody with huge and there was like 2 big ass scoops on it.
Grab the chairs. Never again will I have this food.
I'm zooming in on you. Daddy said he was gonna give you ice cream and then he got this crazy flavor. So I don't know if you can have it, bud. Alright guys, we are back home. Just in bed with Alan and Kobe. We have some tennis on. I am just going to write in my planner for tomorrow. Just write down everything that I need to get done because I'm a to-do list girly. Alan made me a chamomile tea with some honey, so I'm gonna have that. I've been drinking this probably every single night almost. At least like 5 or 6 times a week right before bed, and it's been helping my stomach for 1, and 2 sort of helping me sleep. I feel like I've been sleeping a little bit better, although some nights are like meh. So that is everything for today. I think I'm going to end this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to me down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Good night.